Hello there, this is fairbuynovyoptions.com. For today's analysis or recommendation, I would like to take a look at the euro and the US dollar, as I think it is on the verge of squeezing some shorts, if you know what I mean, for today, as this is Friday, and all week, but each and every day of this whole week so far, the market came and sold the euro US dollar. I'm talking especially on the London session as well. So even though now we are, let's say, a bit at the highs here, the whole chart and the whole idea behind this 1 hour chart is the fact that we are hesitating to break the lows, and we make a series of this being a low here, then we have a series here of a higher low here, then again a higher low, and so on and so forth, and so on and so on. Well, I would say that this attracts for this kind of trend line to be broken, and what better chance, or what should be, or what would be the better occasion for this trend line to be broken than on a Friday at the end of the month. I mean, it is not end of month, it is only the 27th of June, but nevertheless price keeps pushing, so market keeps trying to push, but fails. This kind of patterns here, if you want, in terms of the structure intended, or in terms of Elliott waves, looks something like this. So from a specific moment of time, the market goes aggressively and tries to sold into a specific point of time. So this to be something like wave A, okay? Then it goes reject, it comes with a B wave like this, then it goes and fails to take the previous low. So I'm talking about from here, so goes like this with wave A, and then goes again and fails to take those lows, right? Something like this, and then goes and make a new high here, this small high from the other day, new high here, then goes here but fails to take the previous low in the previous wave. So like this, well, this translates into a strong move to the upside after this trend line. So this should be a bit bigger like this. After this trend line from here to here like this is broken. Now this trend line here that I'm talking about is this trend line here. Like this, and normally this should be the moment where we should buy call options. I would be a bit more aggressive today, and I will buy it a bit earlier. I'm talking about this moment of time before London session. It is going something like this to be A, B, and then the C wave here, and then the D wave, and then the E wave, and normally it should break higher just like that. This is the pattern, this is the market. As a consequence, what I would like to do is right here in the 3630 area, I want to buy call options with, of course, this being Friday, with end of day expiration date. So buying call options with end of day expiration date is the thing to do here, and my recommendation. In terms of fundamental analysis or the news that are going to be released today, there are no important news. I mean, we have the CPI, which is inflation, but only in Germany. I don't think that that would be a market mover for the euro as a whole. We have the University of Michigan in the United States, and normally that is a second tier data. It is not that important like inflation or GDP or jobs data or central bank members speaking or stuff like that. So expect technical analysis to prevail, expect for market to look for breaking some levels, and expect, I would say, the unexpected, because the whole week the euro US dollar actually since last Thursday traded in a range of something like 60 pips, a typical summer trading environment. It doesn't mean that today is going to be the same. Well, I'm looking to the upside, I'm buying call options, and it remains to be seen if they are going to expire in the money or not. The triangle that you are seeing here is being called a running variation of an expanding triangle. It is quite, let's say, difficult to interpret, but when such a pattern appears, it should be noted that it is quite powerful, as the thrust of this triangle points towards something like 138 or something. It remains to be seen. Have a great day, have a great Friday. Bye bye.